Hey loves, it's me, Ashane Shabree. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I transformed this 613 wig into this lovely pink ombre that I have. Oh, you guys, isn't it so cute? So this is the lace frontal wig that I have. I got this from Allie Grace Hair, and I'm not too fond of the lace frontal itself. The lace felt, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like really hard. It doesn't really stick very well to my head whenever I try to put the Got2b glue on it. So I put the Got2b glue on all of the lace, and I'm just taking my blow dryer and going ahead and drying all of that spray that I just sprayed on the lace to make it hard. And make sure you guys feel around, that way you know that the glue has dried. And I also put a little bit on the back because it also comes with a little bit of the lace on the back of the wig. And now I'm going with the shimmer lights, and this is just the shimmer light shampoo. It pretty much takes all of the brassy color out of the wig. So I'm just gonna mix that up, and I just have lukewarm water, and I'm using a dye brush just to swirl it around and mix up the shampoo and the water. And then once all of that is mixed up, you're gonna go ahead and take your wig and put it in the water. And I set it in here for about 5 minutes. I've did this process before, and I seen with the 2 minutes that, it took some of the brassiness out, but I just wanted to go ahead and try doing it for 5 minutes just to see how that turned out. And as you guys can see, it doesn't look bad at all. And now I'm taking a pot of boiling water, and you guys be careful because as you see the steam, it is really hot. So I'm using the Adore Pink Petal, and I'm just squirting a little bit at a time just to start off. And I only wanted to do this one time, so you only need 1 pot of boiling water. I wanted to go ahead and dye the roots pink first with the watercolor method. I feel like this is a lot safer so you don't mess up your lace, and also a lot quicker. Me personally, I feel like I'm a perfectionist, so I did this process literally, I want to say maybe 10 to 15 times, just putting the dye in, twirling it around, putting the wig in, just getting it like the perfect root color that I wanted. And as you guys can see, I also put the entire wig in there just because I wanted the full wig to go ahead and have like some pink spots. But I will be actually like hand dyeing this wig, but I wanted to go ahead and make sure that the entire wig was a light pink color, just in case, you know, when you dye a wig yourself, sometimes you kind of miss certain spots at times, and I didn't want any of the blonde to still be on this wig. So I just went ahead and dipped the roots of the wig in first multiple times. That way the roots could be like a tad bit darker, and then I went ahead and just kept dipping the entire wig in there a couple times, just so the full wig could have like a little light pink color to it. Not the same color as the roots, because again, I will be hand dyeing this a different pink color. But like I said, I definitely wanted the entire wig to go ahead and already be pink, just in case I do miss a few spots. So yes, this watercolor method really helped a lot when dealing with the entire wig and making sure that it was completely pink. And yes, this method probably takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how precise you want to be, and depending on exactly like what color you're going for. So for me, I'll say, since this was like maybe my second time doing the watercolor method, it maybe took me a little bit over the 30 minutes, but once I get used to it, I'm sure it'll take less time. And I got the ion color, the sealer, the color sealer, and I'm just putting that on top of this wig and just mixing it all throughout the hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on the hair for about an hour. So while this is sitting on the hair, you can find something else to do another wig, eat. I love to eat, so I probably ate after I did this, I'm sure. But yeah, just go ahead and give it an hour just so it can go ahead and sit, and make sure that the hair color does not come out of the wig. So after the hour, go ahead and use some warm water, and we're going to rinse all of that sealer out of this wig. And you guys can definitely see how none of the color is coming off of the hair, which is exactly what we want, so yay. And now we're going to get a blow dryer and blow this hair, because now we are getting ready to hand dye this wig. And these are my little goodies that I picked up from Sally's. No, I am not sponsored by Sally's. I wish I was, because I would have saved money. These things definitely come in handy when it comes to dyeing your wig. These are the colors that I'm using. The light pink you could barely see. So for the darker pink, I'm using the Manic Panic Hot Pink. I also got this from Sally's. And the Manic Panic Cotton Candy Pink, which I will be putting on the top layer of my hair. Of course, you guys, I'm definitely putting all of the material that I'm using right now in my description, so make sure you guys definitely check that out. If you want to purchase any of these cool items like the cool bowl, these colors, I will put all of this in my description and the link, so you can just click the links and you're good to buy whatever you want. See, I'm so nice, you guys. Like, I'm already gonna put the links and everything. All you have to do is just click it. You don't even have to search for it, go to the store or anything. Because if you're like me, I love saving money on gas. So I'm starting with the Cotton Candy Pink, and I'm touching the top part of my hair. And again, since we already got the roots pink, these colors blend very well together. So you don't even have to like get anywhere near the roots of the wig at all, so that's perfect. And I'm just using my hands to go ahead and smooth this color out. And I also like to use a rat tail comb, and I also take my dye brush, and if you turn it sideways, it helps to ensure that you don't miss any spots on the hair. So that's a really helpful tip. It helps me whenever I'm dyeing hair and I want to make sure I don't have any spots that are like left out. And now I'm taking plastic wrap, and I'm just gonna wrap this around the hair that I've already dyed. You don't want any of your hair to touch, just so you don't get any of the darker pink mixed in with the lighter pink and have like patchy spots, because that's not cute. And I also use a sack and put it on my head before I put the wig onto the head, just so I'm not getting dye all over my little head. By head, I'm talking about the thing that the wig is sitting on, just a little fake head. So yeah, I make sure that I put a sack over that. You can if you want, you don't have to. But this is just a close-up right now of me using that pink and just putting it close to the roots, kind of mixing it in with my hands. And there were certain spots that were less pink than others, so you may have to get a little bit close to the roots. All in all, majority of the wig, the roots are already pretty much pink. And when I started off, I was switching back and forth between brushes. So I was doing my light pink and then going ahead and doing my darker pink. But I decided to go ahead and just do all one color at one time, and this really helped me go a lot faster. So as you guys can see, I'm using the same brush. I'm just sectioning the hair, going in with the light cotton candy pink first, and then after I'm done with that layer of hair, then I'm going in with the hot pink, and I'm gonna go and do the bottoms. And make sure that you're getting your hands and you're smoothing the hot pink into the cotton candy pink, just so it has like that smooth gradient look. You don't want it to be really choppy, like where you can definitely tell you stopped one color and started another. So make sure you're really using your hands and smoothing those colors together, just so it has like that gradient ombre look. And you guys be sure to subscribe to my channel. Again, this is my name, Ashane Shabree, down below at the bottom of the screen and also at the top of the screen. I love making these videos, and I want to continue to make more and grow my channel so a lot of people can see my content and the things that I'm working on, get to know you guys, and we can bond and all those great things. So again, be sure to subscribe. So after an hour of letting the dye sit, I went ahead and took all of the wrap off. Again, you guys want to make sure that you're using the after color concealer, because as you can see right now, some of the dye is coming out of the hair. We definitely don't want that. So make sure you just rinse a little bit of the hair just to make it wet. Get some of the after color concealer and really put it in the hair, like drown it into the hair, because you don't want this pink color to come out at all. So yes, make sure that you're really rubbing it through. And also, this stuff smells really good. Like, it smells like a perfume or a cologne. Like, it's a really good smell. So after you put the sealer in there, go ahead and let that sit for another hour. After that has sat for an hour, you can go ahead and rinse it out. It's okay to lose some color, just as long as the wig is still the color that you want it to be. You don't want the wig to go all the way back blonde. So yeah, the after color sealer really helps. It helps a lot. And now that you're looking, you can definitely see the hair is gray. And look at that lace frontal, you guys. The hair looks amazing. And see how there's no hair color coming out at all. So that's great. Yay, so now the hair has been blow dried. Guys, this wig is so beautiful. Like, I love, first of all, my favorite color is pink, light pink. But I'll definitely do the light pink mixed with the hot pink. And this wig is definitely hot. Like, look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Just see how the colors just blend really well together. Like, so good. So now I'm taking a flat iron and I'm going to flat iron this hair. And again, if you want the link for this flat iron works really good. I got it from my mom. But yeah, I will definitely put the link for this flat iron in my description below if I can find it. If I can't find it, then it won't be in my description, but hopefully I can, so it will be there. But yes, look how this hair looks after I'm flat ironing it. Like, the colors are blending so well together. This color is really vibrant and it is so gorgeous. I'm just gonna take a moment of silence for this wig real quick. So I decided to go ahead and cut the ends of this hair. They were a little thin to me and I don't really like short wigs that have thin ends. So I'm just using my rat tail comb and I'm just cutting the hair. No, I am not a professional at all by any means, but I just like to cut my own hair and eyeball it. And I wanted this hair to be layered, so I'm using a double-sided hair trimmer and just going to whatever little spots that I want. So some in the front and kind of in the middle of the hair and just layering the hair. And this process is pretty fast and easy. So if you want your hair to be layered, I'd advise to use a hair trimmer. These are perfect for layering hair. So I've did my makeup and now I'm ready to put my wig on. So I'm gonna take scissors and I like to cut it down the middle. And I'm using a little razor, or eyebrow razor is what I call them, to go ahead and cut this lace. And I've also found out that these work better when cutting your lace to make it more, or to give it more of a natural look. So yeah, that's why I'm definitely gonna go ahead and start using these razors for now on. So I use them and go all the way down so I can cut to about where my ear is. And you guys be careful when you're cutting your lace, because as you can see, I definitely have it going towards my face, so you can scratch your face up. And you do not want scratches all on your face because you were trying to cut your lace frontal. So now I'm taking my scissors and I'm gonna cut around my ear. And again, I'm doing this on both sides. So once this entire process is done, I'm going to use the Got To Be glue spray that we had at the beginning to go ahead and spray my forehead to get this lace to sit down. And this is where I was talking about earlier, where I don't really like these lace frontals, because the lace is really hard to get to stick to your head. Like, I'm really glad that it came with clips. In order to get this to like really stick down to my head, I just snap my clips in the back, and my head is kind of small and this wig is kind of big. So I get my clips and I just clip the clips together instead of just clipping them to the wig. And I also tried to use my hair wrap to really put on my hair to get it to sit down. But again, with this wig and another wig that I made, a blue ombre wig, and if you guys would like to see that video, I have put the link up above, so you can definitely check that video out. But yes, it was really hard to kind of get this wig to really sit down and like be secure to my head. Now, once I got the glue and I used the glue and put it down where my ears were, I could get it to sit a lot better. But I don't know, I just don't like the way this lace feels. So I don't know what it is about their lace, I just don't really like. But yes, so this is how my wig came out. I think it is super cute, so pretty. I have that hot girl summer look going on. 2019, hot girl summer. So yes, you guys should definitely try to do this wig, this look yourself. I love this color, I love this wig. I will be wearing this a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you really love the way this wig turned out. I love the way the wig turned out. And my makeup looks cute too, y'all. Like, first of all, I was going to the movies, so definitely was killing it for the movies. But again, I love you all, and bye, loves.